Welcome to our YouTube video on mewing, a technique that's gained popularity for its potential to improve facial aesthetics and overall health. In this video, we'll explore what mewing is, how it works, and how you can start practicing it yourself. First, let's define mewing. Mewing refers to a technique developed by Dr. John Mew, an orthodontist, aimed at promoting proper oral posture. At its core, mewing involves resting the tongue against the roof of the mouth, with the entire tongue surface touching the palate. So, how can you start practicing mewing? Begin by becoming mindful of your tongue posture throughout the day. Focus on resting the entire surface of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, with your lips sealed and teeth lightly touching. You may also incorporate specific exercises, such as tongue sweeps and chewing gum, to strengthen the tongue and surrounding muscles. In conclusion, mewing is a technique that aims to promote proper tongue posture for potential improvements in facial aesthetics and health. You can check my ebook on how to get sharp jawline link in description. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep mewing.